बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कंपनी SECP कंपनीज एक्ट को। Alteration would take effect by special compliance requirement reduced. Reduction in compliance requirements. Single membership companies. Single member companies have been exempted from the requirements to appoint company secretary, hold general and board meetings, notify elections of directorates, notifying conduct audit for its financial statement, not required to lay audited financial statements in the AGMs, unaudited financial statements to be filed with the commission, nominee information to be provided at the time of incorporation. Compliance requirement reduced. Reduction in compliance requirement for private companies. Reduction in compliance requirement for private companies. Private companies having paid up capital up for rupees 1 million are not required to conduct audit of its financial statements, only required to file unaudited financial statements. Private companies with a paid up capital exceeding rupees 1 million but less than 10 million have to conduct audit of financial statement but are not required to file these with the commission. Private companies having a paid up capital not more than rupees 3 million are not required to file an annual return if there is no change in the particulars from last year. Only this fact is to be submitted to the registrar. Compliance requirement reduced. Private companies have been exempted to prepare consolidated statements if neither the holding company or nor subsidiary having a paid up capital exceeding rupees 1 million. Directors report not mandatory for private companies.